Hi, my name is Sean Pollard. I work at Veurink's RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan, where we've been family owned and operated for 65 years. Today I'm going to take you on a video walk around of the brand new 2020 Connect 231 rear kitchen. I'm going to try to explain to you why I think it is the perfect trailer for your next RV adventure. If you find the information in this video helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's get going. At 23 foot and just over 5,700 pounds, this small half-ton towable trailer is perfect for local campground visits or for cross-country travels. It's a great two-person coach if you want to entertain guests occasionally, so let's take a look. First, we'll start off in the rear kitchen. This is an RK after all. You get a ton of counter space back here. This is a solid surface countertop material, which is really nice. It is not a T-mold or a laminate, so it will not delaminate if you put a hot pot or pan on here, or if you have water issues on this countertop, it's not gonna separate at the seams. KZ has also equipped it with a high-rise residential style faucet. This pulls out and it's got a little button where you can use it as a sprayer, which makes filling your taller pitchers of water, your Keurig coffee machines, or just cleaning your dishes really nice and easy. We do have ample overhead storage. I'm 6'2", and you can see that I've got a lot of headroom, and when you have that headroom, you also get really tall cabinets. They've got this really nice frosted glass, and they put this really beautiful light hickory faux wood back here. It really makes it look nice. It's the same material that they use here by the sink. It just gives it a nice bright feel. And again, you got lots of storage in here. With these lights on, it's also really easy to see. You know, if you pack your coffee cups, your plates, your bowls, cups, whatever, you're gonna be able to see everything you get to. We've also equipped it with storage underneath. 2 full extension drawers for here right by the door is gonna give you a lot of room for your silverware and things like that. This is really cool. In a 23-foot camper, we've actually gone with the split oven and cooktop. So normally you're gonna see the oven and cooktop all together as one, right? Well, the benefit to this is you get a bigger 3-burner cooktop, and this is substantially wider, and it actually is gonna allow you to fit 2 full-size saucepans up here. So if you're cooking breakfast and you wanna have 1 pan with bacon and 1 pan with eggs, you can do that without any problem at all. And also with the oven, if you go ahead and turn it on, you can see it's LED lit, and then there's a light inside so you can see anything that you're baking. KZ has equipped this unit with a 10 cubic foot refrigerator. What's really nice about this refrigerator is the size. Like I said, it's 10 cubic foot. Most campers in this class are only gonna have a 6 or maybe an 8 cubic foot fridge. We've gone above and beyond and gone with the 10. So you're gonna get anywhere from 20 to 40% additional storage. We've also given you a huge pantry. What's really cool about this pantry is it has a motion sensor light. So as soon as I open that door, that light comes on. You've got a lot of space in here for plenty of foodstuffs. It's very deep, and all of the shelves have a little lip on them so that you're not gonna have any goods fly out while you're traveling. So when you get there, everything's still gonna be there. You're not gonna have a mess on your hands. This part is really cool. So on your patio side, we've got a really good sized window with the pull down shade and this really cool 3-section couch. This couch on either side does have recliners. They have heated massage seats on the sides as well. You can also see too, we've got little LED lights that we can turn on. It lights up underneath the couch and inside the cup holder, which is really cool. And in case it's really rainy or gross outside and you can't eat out under your awning, we do have it equipped with a removable table so you can use this for eating or playing games inside as well. The entertainment center is really cool. It is gonna come with the television. This is an RV grade television, so this television is specially equipped to be able to withstand the rigors of traveling down the road, not like your TVs at home, which is really cool. It does come with a Bluetooth soundbar. We've got this interior soundbar and outside speakers as well. You've got USB and HDMI functionality, so your smartphones, anything you wanna stream, anything you wanna plug in, you're gonna get really nice audio quality for a trailer. We also have a nice storage area here for your movies. And this is really cool. This 30-inch fireplace has been a game changer for us today. It is 9 degrees outside. 9, count them. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 degrees outside. And I'm in here with no gloves, no jacket, and all we have on is just the fireplace. It's really amazing how much heat these pump out. And you can actually change the way the flame looks. It's got 3 different settings with red, yellow, and blue. And you can turn the heat on or off if you want. It really adds a cool ambiance and feel to the camper. The bathroom is actually a walk-through style bathroom, so you get privacy on both the bedroom side and the living room side, which is really nice. It's come equipped with a window on the off-door side. It does actually have a wood medicine cabinet that's mirrored on the front. Opens up, you got plenty of spot for, you know, deodorant, toothbrushes, things like that. We've given you generous counter space with a nice sink and a wall outlet, so if you want to have your blow dryer or anything like that, you've got plenty of space there. Storage underneath and storage on the side. It's a great little spot for extra toilet paper. I know it's kind of weird, but hey, you gotta have it, right? The toilet is actually a porcelain toilet, so it is not a cheaper plastic toilet. It's gonna be more sanitary and durable, just like one you'd have at home. And this thing has a monster linen closet. You could at least fit 42 towels in that linen closet. It's absolutely huge. And it does come equipped with a shower that has the one-piece surround as well up here in the top, which is really nice. You're not gonna have water just going right on your wallboard. You've got the vent fan and the skylight for additional lights. And it's got this really cool retractable screen that you can close off when you're taking a shower. And then when you're done, you push this in, it automatically retracts and cleans itself. Really, really neat and easy to use. So the bedroom actually features a separate entry door, which is really nice if you need to get up and you don't want to bother anyone in the living room or just come in at night, which is really cool. There is a window on either side of the bedroom as well, as long as mirrored hanging closets. So you've got plenty of storage in here for shirts and underwear and those types of things. Behind the closet, they have what KZ calls their store more system. That store more system is an additional shelf behind the closet with wall outlets and USBs back there, so it's a great spot for your glasses. If you take a cup of water to bed, if you want to read a book or anything like that. We do also have the residential size queen bed, so it's the full-length bed. You can buy normal sheets, so that's a really nice feature. The padded headboard, and again, we've got the window on the off-door side as well, so you can get cross breeze. You can let in a lot of light in here if you'd like. There is also TV prep in here, and there is a vent up in the top. So you can really get a lot of nice fresh air, natural light, entry and exit door, really everything you could ever want for a bedroom. There's nothing that screams camping like 9-degree weather and snow on the ground, but what's really cool is even in these frigid temperatures, you can still show off how great this camper is. The awning ran out with no problem. We've got this huge spacious awning with the LED mood lighting right up by the camper, so you don't have to run the awning out in order to have the LED lights on, which is really nice. Coming out of the camper, one concern when it's this chilly is, oh man, am I gonna slip? Well, this is really cool. This has the solid step system. So these flip down. You can see they go all the way to the ground. The camper doesn't move as I'm coming in and out of it, and I'm almost 300 pounds. So it takes a lot to keep this thing sturdy. But what's really cool is you also have this extra wide step up here at the top and this backer plate. So a lot of people are doing the flip out steps now, but they cheap out and put a smaller step here at the top. There's a hole right here. It's a lot more dangerous. You can slip and have your foot slide in here, but KZ didn't cut any corners. We do also have the nice grab handle and this leash latch, which is really cool. Hard to say leash latch, but it's a really neat thing. You can just tie your dog leash up there, and it also doubles as a bottle opener. So hey, why not? We do also have it set up if you want to put an exterior TV mount or set up a table outside. You've got a 110 outlet and coax that'll hook up to your antenna, so you can do outside TV. We've got pass-through storage up in the front with big doors on both sides and the magnetic catches, so you just open it up, flip it up, and it just stays right there. You don't have to open it up or clip it to hold it on. And there's this really cool key-alike system. So the same key that opens up this door opens up the doors for your storage as well. So you don't have to carry several keys and go, oh man, which one is the right one? Makes it really nice and convenient. This is also solar prepped, comes with 2 propane tanks, and has a power tongue jack on the front for easy hitching and unhitching off of your truck. Again, my name is Sean Pollard with Veurink's RV Center up here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If you think that this should be your next trailer, give me a call, shoot me a text, track me down. I want to see if I can help you have it. Again, if you found the information in this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put out video walkarounds all the time, so if you just can't get enough of RVs, we're the place to call. Again, my name is Sean. I hope to hear from you soon.